Jeff Bezos was born in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and raised in Houston and later Miami. From a young age, he showed an incredible passion for learning and an insatiable curiosity about how things worked. He spent his summers on his grandfather's ranch, fixing windmills and repairing farm equipment, developing a problem-solving mindset that would later define his career. His intelligence and determination led him to Princeton University, where he studied electrical engineering and computer science. After graduating, he worked on Wall Street, quickly rising through the ranks in various financial firms. Despite a promising career in investment banking, he felt an unshakable urge to do something bigger, something revolutionary. In the early 1990s, Bezos stumbled upon a report stating that internet usage was growing at an exponential rate. This revelation sparked an idea that would change the world forever. He envisioned an online marketplace that could offer an extensive catalog of books, something no physical bookstore could ever achieve. With this bold idea in mind, he took the ultimate risk. He quit his high-paying job, packed his bags, and moved to Seattle to start his own company. Operating out of his garage, Bezos and his small team of employees began building what would eventually become the largest online retailer in the world. He worked tirelessly, coding the website, packing books, and personally delivering packages to the post office. In July 1995, Amazon.com went live, offering a selection of over 1 million books. The site quickly gained popularity, attracting customers who were fascinated by the convenience of shopping online. However, success was far from guaranteed. The company faced logistical challenges, financial struggles, and skepticism from investors who doubted that an online bookstore could be profitable. Bezos was relentless. He reinvested nearly all of Amazon's early profits back into the business, focusing on expanding the company's product selection and improving its logistics network. His philosophy was simple but powerful: obsess over customers, innovate constantly, and take bold risks. He refused to be driven by short-term profits, believing instead in long-term growth and customer satisfaction. This mindset led to the introduction of innovations like one-click shopping, customer reviews, and personalized recommendations, which set Amazon apart from its competitors. Over the next few years, Amazon expanded beyond books, adding music, electronics, clothing, and countless other product categories. Despite the dot-com bubble bursting in the early 2000s, which led many internet companies to collapse, Amazon survived due to Bezos' strategic decision-making and relentless focus on the customer experience. He continued to push the boundaries of e-commerce, introducing services like Amazon Prime, which revolutionized the way people shopped by offering fast, free shipping and exclusive content. As Amazon grew, Bezos' vision expanded beyond just online retail. He saw the potential to disrupt multiple industries, leading to ventures into cloud computing with Amazon Web Services, artificial intelligence with Alexa, and entertainment with Amazon Studios. Under his leadership, Amazon transformed from an online bookstore into a global empire that redefined the way people live, shop, and consume content. Despite achieving unimaginable success, Bezos never stopped innovating. He launched Blue Origin, a private aerospace company with the goal of making space travel accessible to humanity. His vision extended beyond Earth, driven by a belief that humanity must explore and expand into space to ensure its long-term survival. Through Blue Origin, he aimed to lower the cost of space travel and build a future where millions of people could live and work in space. Throughout his journey, Bezos faced criticism, setbacks, and intense competition. However, he remained undeterred, focusing on the bigger picture and staying committed to his principles of customer obsession, innovation, and long-term thinking. His ability to adapt, take risks, and embrace failure as a stepping stone to success set him apart as one of the greatest entrepreneurs of all time. Amazon eventually became a trillion-dollar company, making Jeff Bezos the richest person in the world at one point. Despite stepping down as CEO in 2021, his influence and legacy continue to shape the future of technology, business, and space exploration. His story is a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and the willingness to take risks. From a small garage to a global empire, Bezos proved that with determination and relentless innovation, anything is possible.